Hi, this is the Cub Cadet Kohler Courage 26 horsepower, 725 cc's. What you want to do is replace your spark plugs right there. It's hard starting. Take out your air cleaner. You probably want to clean that off. This opens up your carburetor holes. All you have to do is take the spray, starting fluid spray, spray it in the holes. Should start right up for you. But it's a good idea to use stable or a fuel stabilizer, and you may want to raise the octane in your fuel from regular up one level. It's a good idea to keep the air cleaner cleaned out or dust it off. You may want to replace it. I put the throttle up near fast, and I'll start it up for you. You just take the spray, give it a little squirt, and it should start right up for you.